It all started with the ringtone, "Yes, I am the change." Initially, it was just a music when I'm calling and listening to it. But slowly, it became an idea. It became a thought. It was 14th of August. As usual, I was going to office in the morning. As a normal practice, I was calling my peer members to take a business update. Again the ring came. Yes, I am the change. I suddenly started thinking, can I make some initiative to create a small change in the society? Can I take a small initiative to create a new beginning in this society? Can I really take a small initiative to do something meaningful for the society? Yes, why not? As I was thinking all these things, suddenly two small hands were poking me by the side. I looked down and understood it was a small kid who was poking me for some coins. He was wearing just a pant, and the pant was having so many holes that it was hardly covering his body. An idea was already there in my mind, and this small little incident started giving it a shape. I started thinking, I also have a small kid at home. He's 8 months old. Me and my wife often buy clothes for him, primarily for the two reasons. Yes, one is that trying to keep the latest fashion trend for our kid, and mainly because he's growing up. He needs new clothes to fit to his size. What are we doing with the older clothes? Yes, we are dumping it in some corner of a room, and when the dump is growing to a substantial size, we are disposing it off. The cleaner of the housing society takes it off and very unsystematically disposes it off so that it is taken away. But it is not reaching those needy hands who might require that support from us. The thought started becoming very strong in my mind. As usual, whenever there is a new thought, whenever there is any new thing, we start sharing in our WhatsApp. I immediately wrote a message in my peer group that we have enough. God has given us enough to carry on with a decent living. Why don't we all have our kids at home? What are we doing with the older clothes, the older toys, all those clothes which are in good shape? They can be reused, but we cannot use them because our kids have grown up. What are we doing with all these things? Can we collect them and get out and arrange? Can we collect them and take this to these needy hands who are really waiting for them? Yes, why not? We can take this initiative. Every day we share lots of thoughts, lots of messages, but unbelievably that day, each and every group, each and every member on that group responded extremely positively on this sharing. They all came forward and shared it so positively. Came forward to go ahead with this plan. It gives me clear understanding on receiving this message, this good response from a peer group. It gave me a clear understanding that yes, the thought that was actually garnishing in my mind, it has actually started taking a shape. It has actually started changing into a reality. Let us do it. Immediately, we had a conference call within the peer group, and we started making some plans so that we can collect all these used things and reach those needy hands. Post our call, we also contacted the different organizations like the adoption centers, the orphanages, where these things can be arranged to be distributed and can create a small smile to those young faces. Overwhelmingly, these organizations, these adoption centers or orphanages, they welcomed our idea. Those type of organizations are run by trust, by NGOs. The full requirement is quite high. Might be somewhere there are little gaps in the fulfillment. This small help from each and every one of us might create a balance, might fulfill those balanced requirements. Understanding that, to go ahead with it, we immediately planned it out. The next day is 15th August. Flag hoisting will be there in each and every society. We made a plan that each and every society within the peer group, we will address the gathering of the people post flag hoisting and share this idea. We followed as per our plan. Post the flag hoisting, we addressed all the gathering with this idea only for 5 minutes. The response was extremely good. Unbelievable. People came forward even with the idea that they can share time with those guys, they can share time with us, and also at the same time they have bicycles, they have tricycles, they have walkers, they have paramolators in their homes. Their kids have now grown up. Those things are no more used by them. They are just lying idle in their houses. They can donate them for a real good cause. The idea was created. The idea has now taken a shape. The idea, the thought is now going to be a reality. We are now in the process of collecting things from the different families. My peer groups, all my peer members within the group, they have in their individual society, they have taken up the responsibility in collecting the things. We are collecting the old clothes which are in good shape, they can be reused. The books, toys which were used by us and we are no more using them, which we are ready to donate to those little ones. We are collecting them, and we are arranging a method to distribute it to these orphanages and to these adoption centers. We are even collecting the feeding bottles, the other accessories which our babies have used but they are in good condition. They can be reused to the adoption center to shelter the young babies till the time they are being adopted. Currently we are in the process of gathering all these things so that we can reach out to those people who really need our help. We are all responsible citizens. We request each and every one to please come forward. The society needs our help. Let us together make this society a better place to live in, not only for us, but also for those ones who need our help. Jai Hind. Let us make this society a real better place to live in, and let us create a small smile in those young faces who look forward to our help. Jai Hind once again.